BE stock analysis next week. Easy to buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Bloom Energy stock, we're sitting at $11.25. It's overall 5% down for the day. I myself am was bearish here, and that kind of delivered to the lows and everything. But it was not the idea that this was supposed to be here. It was supposed to be the lows there, and if the price came into my, this was the exact move that I was waiting for. But even with that one, the price did not deliver, which is fine, right? And now I'm going to get rid of all the stuff here. Observing it from a daily chart, broke something up here, which is interesting. And honestly, man, like if the price gives me like a double break beneath like a 1 hour low or whatever, so it already kind of did. This is just a bearish momentum for me. Like it's a bearish opportunity. It's obviously not financial advice. This is only for now and not forever. So if you want to learn my strategy for free, check the first link in the description. And I'll see you in the next video. See you.